Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix message unavailable in Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you're seeing this type issue on Instagram that whenever you try to open any chat, you see an error that the message you want to see is unavailable. So let's see how can you fix that. So very first you have to check that you haven't been blocked by the sender if you're using to if you're trying to see the message of anyone which has been blocked you, so sometimes it might cause that so that you're unable to see the message. Or the second one is you have to also check for account deactivation. You have to try to send a message to this person and to check that account is activated or not. If the account has been deactivated, so it might be that you're unable to see the message and you cannot see the message again. Or if the sender has been deleted the message, so sometime you haven't received this type error that the message unavailable. If they have deleted the message, so you might see this type error. Or sometime it might be that the person have written a message or there's any content violations due to the message was unavailable from Instagram support team, so you're unable to see that message. Or sometimes it's a temporary glitch of your Instagram app, so you can fix that by updating your app or by offloading your app. So you have to simply open your app store or play store. Here go for search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Instagram app. If you find, just try to update your app. After updating, you have to simply go back from here, open your Instagram and recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage here, look for Instagram app, and here you have to try to offload your app. Once you have offloaded your app, you have to retry to reinstall the apps. After reinstallation, your issue must be fixed if this was just an app glitch. So it will fix in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.